Okay. Good morning, everybody. Professor Nasreen, Chairperson, Department of Education, Aligarh Muslim University. Dr. Rubina Shehnaz, the Principal of Aligarh College of Education. Dr. Sadaf Jafri, the coordinator of this workshop. And Dr. Nasir Ali, faculty at the Department of Education, Mallapuram Center for Aligarh Muslim University. I am really pleased to welcome all of you. This is a great occasion, and this is the first workshop which we are going to organize online. The topic of this workshop is educational technology. And this topic is highly significant in present scenario because this present pandemic is going to change our educational educational technology as well as our communication system. So I welcome once again all of you, and this workshop is going to deal with some very important topics such as the collaborative learning, virtual classroom, and digital evaluation, and other topics. The college, on this occasion, let me introduce some information about this college. Aligarh College of Education was established in 2008, and it is 7 kilometers from AMU campus. The college offers a B.Ed course, DLEd, BA with 7 subjects, BSc with 5 subjects, and BSc Biotechnology, BBA, BCA, BCom, and BA. So these are the subjects the college offers to our student. Our motive is to provide best possible education, and we try to adopt the latest technology in order to inculcate knowledge. These courses are affiliated with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Agra, and the B.Ed course and D.Ed course are approved by National Council of Teacher Education, and the college is recognized by the UGC, University Grant Commission, under Section 2F and 12B. The campus of the college is spread over 12 acres of land. We have 2 beautiful buildings and good campus. Most of the facilities which we can conceive in education institutions are available in our college. Moreover, our college is having collaboration with 1 American universities. I once again welcome all of you on this occasion, and I congratulate Mr. Nasir Ali, who accepted, and I thank to him who accepted our invitation for holding this workshop. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Nasreen ma'am.
Yes, most esteemed Director, Professor M. Muqim, Principal Dr. Rubina Shehnaz, Coordinator of the workshop, Dr. Sadaf Jafri, eminent resource person, Dr. Nasir Ali MK, and dear participants. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Greetings of the day. I am glad to know that Aligarh College of Education is organizing a 6-day national workshop on cybergogy, a new art of teaching. As we all know that there is paradigm shift from traditional teaching to online methods of teaching. Therefore, topics selected for the workshop has a great relevance and is quite relatable. This is a need of the hour that teachers training institutes should train and encourage the prospective teachers in adopting online methods of teaching. As far as teaching is concerned, teaching itself is an art. But when we extend this art to the digital world, let it enter into the online classrooms. Its value, dignity, and pride increases. Cybergogy is a framework for creating engaged learning online. The present scenario, COVID-19 pandemic, has given us the opportunity to learn and integrate various digital devices in teaching learning process. Using the current challenging circumstances as an excuse, indeed not an option, At this stage, we have to play our role positively in one way or another to benefit the society. It's not just about ideas, it's about making ideas happen. Technology is just a tool in order to get the students working together, and teacher is the most important part of it. The average teacher explains complexity, the gifted teacher reveals simplicity. So, dear participants, in order to be the gifted teacher, we all must improve, not because we are not good enough, but because we can be even better. In addition to this, it is imperative to say that role of teacher educators has been changed from knowledge workers to knowledge facilitators. These all need to adopt student-centered learning approaches based on collaborative team-based learning. Today's teachers and researchers require academic and non-academic 21st century skills, which are essential in present scenario to make them position worthy in job market. I congratulate principal, coordinator, and members of organizing team, and also to resource person for making efforts to train the prospective teachers and researchers. I am also very glad and feeling proud to inform you that my students, Dr. Rubina Shehnaz, Dr. Sadaf Jafri, and others are behind the organization of this workshop. This makes me feel overwhelmed. All the best for a bright success of the workshop. May the goal of this workshop be achieved. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Once again, thanks to all of you. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Very happy to see you here.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Rubina, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning.
Yes, please continue, ma'am. Rubina, ma'am, please continue.
Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, audible.
Okay. Good. Assalamu alaikum, Muqim sir, Nasreen ma'am, assalamu alaikum,
Salam.
and good morning to all of you. Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us in today's webinar. My name is Dr. Rubina Shehnaz, and I am the principal of Aligarh College of Education. Before we go ahead, I'll take this opportunity to heartily welcome our director, sir, Mr. Muqim, our chairperson of Department of Education, AMU, Professor Dr. Nasreen, my resource person, Mr. Nasir Ali, my coordinator, Dr. Sadaf Jafri, and all, the last but not the least, all participants. Aligarh College of Education has been a pioneer of quality education in Aligarh since 1999. It has been involved actively in imparting and supporting women education in around the Aligarh. The college is instrumental in making education accessible in remote areas and for the marginalized section of our society. Aligarh College of Education aims to keep working hard to meet these goals in the near future. All of us will agree that pandemic has pushed all of us to review how we run our lives and systems, including this education system. This includes a shift from in-person classroom to video calls, which have also been adopted by many colleges and universities to keep everyone at pace with their respective courses schedule as well as to support one another through this difficult time. Moreover, we can harness the power of internet via video conferencing to sharing knowledge and turning the unfortunate crisis into an opportunity for students. Reaching out of new prospects and leads may seem like a college challenges at the moment, but webinar like these that are of interest of potentially beneficial will prove to be instrumental and advantageous for students in their long-term goals. Today, Aligarh College of Education is presenting the national level online workshop on cybergogy, new art of teaching. So I welcome you all here. You and now I'll welcome Mr. Nasri sir to continue with their presentation. Thank you so much. And once again, I welcome all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all. Professor Muhammad Mukim, to whom I should thank, in fact, because he contacted me, I think, 15-20 days back by asking to organize a program for the Aligarh College of Education, and Dr. Sadaf Jafri, Rubina Shanas, everyone who have taken lots of efforts for organizing this program. And I would like to congratulate you all for making this effort and making it a reality. And some of the students from Aligarh College of Education had participated in some of my another programs, and since then they have been showing their passion and energy to continue gaining knowledge and practicing the knowledge which they gained throughout the programs. And even they are contacting me whenever they have some doubts. So I'm very happy for them. For as prospective teachers, they are showing that much passion. The same way, the participants who have joined for this program is also doing some commendable efforts. Especially when many of us are staying at homes and enjoying, be the teaching fraternity are showing interest to gain more knowledge, maybe with the expectation that we will be able to deliver our classes even during this lockdown period and even post COVID duration, the classes effectively or more efficiently. So that is the aim we have kept for joining like these programs. And I know that this won't be the first program of any of the participants here. We have been continuously attending and different sessions like this from the day one of COVID lockdown. And I'll be taking all the efforts, and I'll be trying to promise the commitment from my side to benefit you through this program. Thank you very much. And I hope you will collaborate during the session, as Professor Nasrin was rightly mentioning about the need of collaborating during the digital era. We cannot keep away without collaborating for the cause of learning, isn't it? We have been collaborating with our teachers, with our colleagues, with our students during in all our sessions, all our face-to-face session. And the same way, collaboration is more important when we come to the digital classroom, either virtual classroom. Thank you very much. We'll be continuing with the session. I'll be trying to help you out through this session. And here, during this session, we are not going to discuss something new, whereas we are going to discuss what have been existing for the last 10-15 years in the digital platforms, but I'll be trying to explain the tools which we discuss here by taking these tools into the context of teaching and learning. Thank you very much.